To calculate the final total of this spreadsheet, you can either individually add all the subtotal like this. Alternatively, you can add all the line item excluding the subtotal, and this will produce the same result. But this task can be dauntingly difficult if there are hundreds if not thousands of rows. Nevertheless, like anything else in Excel, there's always a smarter way to do this, and here's how you do it. First, we're going to use a function called SUMPRODUCT, and the first argument on SUMPRODUCT would be everything on that particular column, including the text and the subtotal. And the second argument of SUMPRODUCT would be a double unary operator, which is 2 dashes, and basically we're going to check if that particular cell is a formula like that, and then we're going to put the argument as everything in that column there like this. So in a nutshell, this is how the formula works. If the cell is a formula, then the cell value will be multiplied by 1. If not, cell value will be multiplied by 0, and the results are all added up together.